guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oluchi here. So in today's video I'm going to do a skincare routine, and it's going to be only very affordable products. So these products will range from, let's say, £1 to about £9. A very affordable skincare product that I use sometimes. So yeah, right now I've got my makeup, my full face makeup on. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take my hair away from my face. So what I normally do is to first take my cotton pad and then micellar water. It's a simple micellar water, and it costs £6.99, and this is 400 ml, so you get up to 200 uses. And I really like this micellar water because it's very gentle. It's way better than using face wipes. I forgot my lashes. Yeah, first things first. So I like to use this micellar water to wipe off all my makeup. So the next step I always like to do is to use this. This is the simple hydrating cleansing oil. So I take some of the oil and put in my palms and then massage it into my skin. Oil cleansing is essential, especially if you're taking off your makeup. You've used like really heavy makeup. You want to thoroughly take it off before you wash it. It's good to always go in with oil cleanser. You can also use some of this on your lip as well. So I like to use it on my lip and then gently on my eyes. I'm just going to go on ahead with this. This is the CeraVe foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. I'm just going to use this to wash my face. And I forgot to mention, so this simple hydrating oil, it actually costs £45. So I'm done washing my face, and yeah, I forgot to mention the CeraVe face wash costs £9.50. And then next step is to go in with my Pixie Glow Mud Mask. I've almost run out of this, so I'm using this because my pores feel a bit congested. So I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes because it's a 15-minute facial. My face feels so clean. It feels squeaky clean, like the congestion has significantly reduced. So now the next step is to go in with my toner, and then this is the simple soothing facial toner. We use a lot of simple products because I like the fact that they don't have like perfume in the products, and they don't have like colors or anything. Like, their products are so mild, and I've been using their products for like the longest. And again, the best part is that they're really affordable. So I'm just letting my face air dry, and then you can see that my neck is quite discolored, and I used to have like heavy discoloration here, hyperpigmentation. Then the neck one is from childbirth. When I gave birth, like my neck got really dark. Really focusing on fixing it, and it's I think it's slightly coming back to normal, but I know that it will take quite a while because hyperpigmentation is not something that, it doesn't just go off ASAP. It's not like next day delivery. Sometimes it could even take up to a year or like 6 months. So the next step is to go in with my retinol, and then this is from The Ordinary. It's the retinol 1% in Squalene. It's really good, especially for hyperpigmentation. So I'm just going in with this one. I'll just put a few drops on my palm and then work this onto my neck and pat this onto my skin. I got it for £5.80. Next product I'll be going in with is the simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. I know I have a lot of simple products. I got it for £4.29. So in today's video, I think I've used like four simple products. And so I'm just going to take this and then apply a bit of it onto my palm and then walk it into my face, and then not forgetting my neck. I love when my skin is really hydrated. And then when I do this, when I like hydrate my skin properly at night, in the morning, my skin is always very plump. So now the second to last step is to go in with my Brightening Eye Gel, and this is from Boots, and I got this for £4. I just use this on my eyes. my final step is to go in with the Boots vitamin C brightening sleeping mask. So you basically apply this onto your face just before you go to bed or after your nighttime routine. Then when you wake up in the morning, you rinse your face or wash your face off. So it's a sleeping mask. So I'm just going to use this all over my face and then my neck as well. And then this jar here, it costs £4 as well. It's really affordable. Finally, I'll go in with my Vaseline. I always like how my lips feel when I wake up in the morning. So yeah, there we have it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and then give this video a thumbs up as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If there are any other kind of like reviews or sort of videos you'd like to see on my channel, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.